The strange noise. One night, John is alone at home. His parents are visiting some friends and his little brother is sleeping upstairs. John is sitting on the sofa in the living room. He is reading a book and enjoying the quiet evening. The TV is off. The lights are on. Everything seems normal. Suddenly he hears a strange noise. Tap, tap, tap. John looks around the room. He puts down his book and listens carefully. The noise stops. For a few seconds, the house is completely silent. Then the sound comes back. Tap, tap, tap. This time, it is a little louder. John stands up. He feels curious, but also a little nervous. He walks slowly across the living room. First, he checks the TV. Maybe something is wrong with the speakers, but the TV is off. The noise continues. Tap, tap, tap. Next, John looks near the window. Outside, the wind is blowing softly. The trees are moving, but nothing seems unusual. The noise is still there. John begins to follow the sound. It seems to be coming from the wall near the bookshelf. He takes a few careful steps forward. The sound stops again. John waits. A few seconds later, it starts once more. Tap, tap, tap. Now he is sure. The noise is coming from somewhere near the wall. On the wall, there is a large picture in a wooden frame. The picture has been there for many years. John looks behind it. Nothing. He checks the bookshelf. There are many books, but everything looks normal. The mystery remains unsolved. John sits down and thinks. What could be making that noise? A bird? A broken pipe? A small animal? He is not sure. Then he hears the sound again. Tap, tap, tap. This time, he notices something important. The sound happens at exactly the same moment every hour. John looks at the clock on his phone. The time is 10 p.m. He waits. 10 minutes pass. Nothing happens. 20 minutes pass. Still nothing. At exactly 11 p.m., the sound returns. Tap, tap, tap. John smiles. Now he has a clue. He follows the sound once more and looks carefully around the wall. Then he notices a small object hidden behind the picture frame. It is an old clock. The clock belonged to his grandfather. John remembers hearing stories about it when he was younger. The clock is very old, and every hour it makes a strange tapping sound. Over the years, everyone forgot it was there. John laughs. He was worried for nothing. There is no danger. There is no animal. There is no broken pipe. Only an old clock doing its job. John picks up his book, sits back on the sofa, and relaxes. The house feels quiet again. The mystery is solved.